Thank you, Denise. Mile Gully have moved to the top of Group 1 in the quarter-final round of the Issa Water Da Costa Cup competition, following a 2-0 win over Magotty on Friday. Sakile Salki and Javel Coley were on target in the 10th and 80th minutes respectively for Mile Gully, who knocked out last year's champions Rossies in the previous round. They had lost their opening match of the round 1-0 to Port Antonio. Magotty, who lost their opening match of the round 1-0 to Frome, are now sitting at the bottom of the group.
Well, we need to get the team rest, give them some rest. They're a little bit leg weary from the long trip to Hanover and then the long trip to Port Antonio. So with some rest and some hydration and some motivation, I figure that we'll be ready for the 1 o'clock sun against Frome on Tuesday.
Meanwhile, former champion St. Elizabeth Technical will battle Dintil in one of the 7 games across the island on Saturday as the quarter-final round of the Da Costa Cup continues. Match time is 1 p.m. at the Juicy Complex in Clarendon. Elsewhere, last year's beaten finalist Clarendon College take on Manchester High in the second game of the doubleheader at the Stet Sports Complex at 5, while 2016 winners Cornwall College face Garvey Maceo in the opener at 3. Lennon High will meet Petersfield at the Frome Complex. Charlemont take on Glenmuir at the Prison Oval, while St. James High battle Old Harbour at Manchester High. And defending champions Jamaica College will take on Woolmer's Boys in one of 4 matches in the quarter-final round of the Issa Digicel Manning Cup on Saturday. Kickoff is set for 1 p.m. at the Stadium East Field. Last season's semi-finalist Holy Trinity will look to extend their lead in Group G when they meet St. Andrew Technical at the Stadium East Field at 3. Group H action at Calabar will feature Charlie Smith against 2017 Super Cup champions Kingston College at 1, while former champion St. George's College play Camperdown at 3.